Hey everybody, welcome back to Ready Set Prep. I wanted to bring you guys something I've been working on for a little bit. I wanted to get into a little bit better organization, to be perfectly honest. And, when you're preparing and working in preparedness, I think that you can get a little scattered. This is in a book bag. This is in a backpack. This is an EDC kit. This is shoved behind your closet and etc. in the garage. So I wanted a little more organization. I came up with the Dewalt Tough System. I This is really great, a little organizer. These all clip together. It's the DS100 Tough System organizer, and basically these all clip together and form a box, something that you could take and throw in the back of your truck, take it down to a cabin. You could put it in a boat. You could bury this thing. These are hard, they're durable, and they're see-through, so I can easily see the contents in there and get to things accessibly wise just a little bit quicker. So what I've got here is these are hard, durable cases. These are not your flimsy, tight little plastic lid boxes. These are built for tools. So in this kit here, this is a water kit, basically water filtration of all types, from pH tablets. There's a pH meter in here as well, which you need to make sure that your water is good and drinkable. Life straws, there's probably 5 different types of life straws, FST, FCs, etc. There's hydration salts in here, survivor filtration systems here as well. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands, if not million gallons worth of water that can be filtered out of this case. We've got rapid fire water filtration here. I'm going to go through this, but a couple of different things. There's a water key. Great little hard case to have for a water filtration case. Over here, this is your fire kit. So basically I have, matches, fire starters, lighters. There's a Wayland fire starting kit inside of here as well. In there, Duraflame log, Pro Camp Tech, lots of great things. But this is just a hard, like I said, this is toss it in the back of the truck. Everything's sealed and protected inside of this case. The videos do no justice in the size and the capacity that these can hold. In this one here, this is kind of more of just a medical kit. This has got your Benadryls, your Tylenols, your Advils, emergencies, chapsticks, Zicams, Robotessins, some other items in there. I've got a Jace medical kit in there, which has got all your antibiotics that you're going to need, emergency supply. So, and a lot of other items inside of this kit. We've got cortisone creams, ThyroSafe. If we had a nuclear fallout, potentially, you want to take a little ThyroSafe. Keeps your thyroid full and healthy. So anyways, great kit to have here. I've put a lot of time and money into these. I'm not going to lie to you. This is not for everybody. You could do these on a smaller budget. I wanted to make sure that I had the things that I thought were, you don't want to get to that point and need it and it's horrible. So I've put just what I thought was good inside of these, and to each their own. Everybody's a little bit different. This is a first aid kit. This is pretty extensive. Tourniquet down to all the instruments you need to sew somebody up, nylon braided needles, chest seals, chest vents, some more hydration salts inside of here as well. Lots of Band-Aids, quick clot, bleeding, stabilizing systems. Something in all first aid kits, and I hope everybody will start putting these in there. Put a first aid guide inside of your first aid kits, please. They all come with one. Keep it with it. If you're not using this and someone is using this on you, I want them to have that in there. I'm just putting that out there. Anyways, I'm going to make another video over this as well, so that you guys can see that. But I wanted to stack this up here, let you look at this. So they just clip together here on these sides with these clips. You just take them and stack them up. Really simple, real easy to do. They're full, so these are heavy. Clip them in the sides. And then because of their handles here, everything should be able to into one small case, one small kit, just like so. I also keep, for the base of this, I won't put it on there because I don't know if it's going to be too tall. Yeah, that'd be too tall. So this is also the T-stack system. These clip onto the top of this. This is at the base. Inside of here, I've showed you guys, I did a video on emergency freeze-dried and dehydrated foods. And so I keep some of those same contents inside of this box as well here. Again, this is a throw it in the back of your truck. You got to leave. There's a fire coming. You're going to lose your house. Like the people in California, Washington State. When I was young, I actually lived up in Washington State. And I remember when Bugout Pass burnt down and we had to evacuate, and we were gone camping in trailers with a community of a few thousand people for, I think it was 2 months. So if you ever have a situation like that where you need to have an emergency backup, I always recommend have some of your Ready Wise. This granola says you can use it with milk like cereal. Just eat that stuff. You're in an emergency. Don't be picky. Easy macaroni. 4 cups of water for these items in the Readies. Same thing with your freeze-dried Mountain House adventure meals. Just quick biscuits and gravy, breakfast stuff. Just quick and easy. This is something that you're going to grab and go. Small. Just a small little camp stove. Something easy that's going to go on your small butane here. Nothing impressive. I want lightweight, something I could pick up. Obviously, everybody needs to get what works for them. Small pot to boil water, small canister for that little stove as well. I also keep down in the bottom of this here, I think there's 6 bottles of water in total down here, because I think if you're doing 4 cups of water at 6 cups, I should be able to make 6 meals, or 4 cups, or anyways, the math is there. So great little options to have in here, just some ready to go stuff. Click it down. Everything stacks up on top. I actually have a wheel system that this will set on, and I can just wheel this out to the truck, throw it in there, and I know that wherever we're at, we'll be fine with this here. And there's obviously more that goes to this, but I will go over these individually, break them down in separate videos for you guys. And then maybe if you like this, give me a like, subscribe to the channel. I'm trying to figure out ways for people to practice preparedness. It's not for everybody, but I think that what I'm doing is it's what I like to do. Again, there's better ways to do things. There's worse ways to do it, though. I just like organization. I like knowing that if there's going to be a situation, I know where my gear is. I know what I'm using. I know how to use it. And I leave instructions for people where I need to, for them to use it. So that's it. That's going to be it for me, guys. I'll let you guys, maybe follow me on Instagram, Twitter. It's all Ready Set Prep over there. And, check out some of my EDC kits and my pictures over there. I've been trying to just get that word out. I think the preparedness is key in the world that we're living in right now. Every day, things are just going a little bit quicker. So, I don't think time's running out, and I'm no doom and gloom on this channel, but I think that the time to prepare is now. Has been. We've all been preparing, and now it's time to organize those preps. So I will catch you guys on the next one. Stay prepared. We are prepared, and don't forget to Ready, Set, Prep.